Hi, class. This week we begin reading the Epic of Sunjata. Now, we will take 2 weeks to read this epic, similarly to the way that we studied Oedipus the King. So, for this first week, you need to read from page 1424 to 1436 in our textbook. And here we'll learn about Sunjata's father's search for a wife, a wife who will become the mother of Sunjata. Next week, we'll read about the birth of Sunjata. So this week, there's no quiz. There are only discussion questions for you to answer. And then when we finish reading the Epic of Sunjata next week, you will have your first essay assignment to write. So, a little bit of background about Sunjata. Sunjata is the legendary king of Mali. He's attributed with having unified the Mali Empire. This epic poem is a long narrative poem about the life of this great West African king. Like other epic heroes, Sunjata overcomes many difficult obstacles, and with some supernatural help, there is a little bit of magic in this story, he succeeds in defeating his enemies. So this week we'll read about the obstacles faced by Sunjata's father, Magan Konfara, in his search for a wife. One thing to remember while reading this epic is that it comes originally from an oral tradition. The figure of the griot is important here. The griots are the traditional bards and storytellers of West Africa. The story of Sunjata was passed down orally by griots before it was ever written down. Sunjata's father and later Sunjata himself are referred to as Simbon in the story. Simbon means master hunter, but you may notice a similarity with this word Simbon and Simba, the main character of The Lion King. Sunjata is one of the bases for that story. So I hope you enjoy these legends of the hero Sunjata, and I will see you on the discussion board.